Did you know that you can begin teaching children math concepts at a young age through play and daily routines? Tasks such as laundry gives children the opportunity to sort. Just grab some socks and ask them to find the matching pairs. You can also teach children how to sort using muffin tins, which teaches grouping. Another way to teach sorting is by using different shaped blocks. Shake the box, shake the box. What's it gonna be? Thomas, don't look. Don't peek. All right, open your eyes. What is it? Oh, cute. Another everyday task to teach math skills is going to the grocery store. This gives the children opportunity to work on counting and number sense. Say that you need 3 cans of corn. Instead of getting them yourself, ask your child to get it for you, counting one by one. 1, 2, 3.
How many bears are in your boat? Oh my goodness, you fit 10 bears on his boat.
And going from your local grocery store to your kitchen, you can ask your child to cook with you. This gives them a chance to learn measuring skills. All of these activities help children build math skills that will help them in real life later on.